Page 130, Deep River. On page 130, they're introducing you to augmented triads. Hopefully you know what a triad is. It's a 3-note chord. Let's go back to our C chord. It's our kind of our standard example. All an augmented triad is takes the top note of that chord and it takes it up a half step. An augmented triad is simply 2 major thirds piled on there's a third here, major third, and another major third. And that's what it is. Sounds wonderful, don't it? Yeah. There's different symbols for it. You'll see them in music, whether it's a little circle or with a plus sign or the aug, A-U-G. It's just telling you it's an augmented triad is all. It's used quite a bit in this piece. It's really kind of neat when you listen to the harmony. It's like they're using that augmented fifth, that note, as a passing note going from here. They want to go from here to here and they just put in that note in between. Now, for Deep River, I'm going to point out a few minor little things. In the right hand, play it the way it's written. In the left hand, play it the way it's written. However, with these rolled chords, because every so often you get these rolled chords, not all of them, just some of them. When I play those, I play the bottom note on the beat. So I'm going to, here at the beginning, I'm going to play that C with the E in the right hand. I'm going to roll it quick enough that it's done before I have to play any more notes. That's how I do. Some people will play the roll chords with the top note on the beat. I don't care for that style. That's what you want, you go right ahead. When you get down to the bottom of page 131, look at that last measure. The first note in the left hand is rolled, and the chord is rolled in the right hand. Well, the 4 notes together make up a chord. So in this case, I'm going to roll all 4 notes together as one chord, and again I'm going to play the bottom note on the beat. The fermata in the left hand, the first one is 2 beats. Then we have that caesura. Remember what a caesura is, the 2 little lines, the railroad tracks. It's a pause. And with a metronome, I'm going to pause for 1 beat. Total silence, total nothing for 1 beat. And then we play the next chord. And again, I'm going to roll all 5 of those notes as 1 chord. Like that. And I'll play the bottom note on the beat. And we'll hold that for 2 counts, more or less. And then we do our dies al fine thing. And the sign that you dies to is at the top of page 131. You'll see it up there between the first and second measures. So you're going to go up to there. And then the fine is in the second line, you'll see it. As far as pedaling goes, pedal it the way it is, except I like to hear a break between the phrases. So I would pedal it in a way that allows me to hear some silence in the right hand between each of these phrases. You can do it however you feel is right for you, but that's how I'm going to do it. So let's try this out. Common timer 4/4 time. It's in the key of C major with lots of accidentals. Right hand here, left hand here, foot's on the pedal. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go.